streaming. Okay, I think I'm live now. I will assume I am, and I will continue as intended. Today we're gonna continue, at least for about 2 hours or so. I have an appointment in about 3 hours, so I need some time for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this over there, I'm gonna do this over here, and we're gonna continue with the inventory system. Now this will be a generic inventory system I'm working on right now, so I can use it in any game project. And I will make sure to make it available when I'm done with it at some point. So let's get this over here. And let's open Godot. Godot. Where are you, Godot? There you are. If the music is too loud, let me know. I have increased it a little bit from last time. Oh, Jesus! Okay, let's not... There we go. Inventory system. Let's see, what did we have to do here? Rearrange item inventory bar. Okay, so I assume I got to the point where I can actually pick it up, right? Yeah, I did. Okay, good. So I can pick it up and that works. Let's see here. Let's open up the database, item database. This is where we, this is where we have it. So this will be basically the place where we will add every item in the game, because this is what you are going to call to retrieve those items from the game. And this will, I believe this will be a good way of doing it. I mean, there might be a better way that I don't know of or can think of right now. And if I do find a better way, I will make sure to implement that better way. But for now, I think this is a good system, because it allows you to have a good overview over all the items that are in the game. So if I want to make a new item, let's see, what shall we make? I have no idea. Let's open up Krita and draw something here. Okay, now I know each icon is going to be 64 by 64 in size. So I'm gonna keep it like so. Now, by keeping it within that size, it makes sure I won't have to stretch anything or shrink. Because it won't actually stretch. If I have a smaller image, it will just be placed in the middle, it won't be stretched. But if it's bigger, it's gonna... Excuse me, I believe it's gonna fit to the inventory window. Inventory bar. Let me open up the inventory bar here. Where is that inventory? Inventory scene. Yeah, this little square here. Let's see what we have here. We have slot 1, and in here we have a container that will center the sprite, I believe. Now, isn't this a center container? Or is it just a normal container? Let me load something. Oh, okay, well that works. Let's clear that. Ah, okay, slot 1 is the center container. The container is just allows us to center the sprite, because the sprite is not contained in a container. You actually need a container for the sprite inside other containers. Okay, so that's fine. I believe that should be working. It should work fine. We have a max inventory bar size, so if I were to enter 2 now and take first the log, the key, and then the log, well, something is wrong. Actually, no, it's not wrong. I'm using export here. Okay, let's just put that back to 8 or whatever it was. Yeah, let's keep export so we won't have to do anything. Let's go into inventory scene, I believe. Here? Yeah, here it is. So let's enter 2 here. Unless I have to... Oh, you did here. Okay, it's reflecting. Good. Good. Okay, 1. Key, and we're full. We can pick up anything. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like that for now, but I would want to find a way to drop items, or at least add the functionality to drop item. So we also need item selection. Actually, I'm not gonna. That's good. I'm not gonna waste time on making additional items when we have 2. Let's see here. Rearrange item in inventory bar. What else? We need to be able to select items or drop selected items. So by extension, you need to be able to select items. So I'm gonna put that above that. Drag and drop. That'd be cool. Drag and drop. That'd be cool. Although it would be 2 different. Drag and drop select item. There we go. Let's see here. Rearrange items. If I can get that working, then that means we can drag and drop using the mouse. So it would be something like this. I have to think though how to do this. I could just, I mean, I could code in like literally just checking if my mouse is above on top of this and then enable movement. But I'm wondering if there's a better way of doing this, because I remember there being a demo scene. So I'm gonna check out if there's a demo scene that does something similar here. Why reinvent the wheel? Let's see here. It's a mess here. Should be a drag and drop thing I can use somewhere. I'm pretty sure it is, I just don't remember. Drag and drop! Haha, perfect. Let's see if they have a smarter way of doing it than instead of just checking on hover. This is a color picker. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's see. I assume they're all using the same script, yeah. Gather drag data. How does this work? Color pick a button. I'm confused. This seems a bit. Is this a functionality? Ooh. Ah, there it is. I mean, it's part of a node. Let's see here. What does it do? Well, there's no description. That's a shame. Okay, so let me try something similar. I'm just gonna copy this. And this is on each item, on each, in our case, image item icon. Huh. How about this? Is this a part of something? It is! Okay, how about this? Ahaha! Okay, good! So this is a control though. It's part of a control hierarchy, so it has to be inside a control, I assume. Let me take a look here. And it is! We have control here, and there, and the inventory itself, I believe, is a control. No? No? Yeah? No? Yeah. I think we're good. Okay, let's see here if I can make this work. Gotta go into this, gotta go into that. So let's see if... I don't think I can do it on the slot itself. I mean... I don't know. I'm gonna try adding a script to the sprite itself and see what we get, because I don't know. I haven't done this before, so this will be a new experience for me. Inventory bar. This will be a new script. This will be draggable item, drag item, item drag, drag and drops. Yeah, that works. Drag drop .gd. There's no point calling it script when it's a script file. So I'm gonna name it that. Create. So I guess I can use this on other items as well. Doesn't have to be a sprite if I do this correct. But I don't know. Let's see. Let me just copy the entire thing. Why not? Just make sure it works. Set drag preview. What is this? Oh. Wow. There's no documentation on this. That's definitely a shame. But these... Let me take a look at the documentation here. This is a color picker. I want to see what it inherits. Control. Okay, so it inherits control. How about how about the sprite? What's that inherit exactly? Sprite. It inherits node. Okay, it doesn't inherit a control node, so I might have to do some trickery here. I'll try and see if we get any first. I'll just print something position just to see what it is. I assume it's a position, but print here. Oh, okay. Now I see. Drop data. Let me put data inside here. Drag data. That's fine. Drop data. Set color. Okay, that's the functionality of color picker, I believe. Hold on. Can drop data. Okay, so it will be can. Okay, let's see what happens. This will only be on the first one if it works. I have doubts because it's not a control. So let's see anyway. I'd like to try. Okay, yeah, that's what I expected. Can't. And again, it might also be something blocking it. So I'm gonna create a new test scene just for testing. So the root node will be a control. Inside, I'm gonna add a sprite, and I'm gonna see if I can actually just do something with this. Yeah, I'm not gonna save as a test. Actually, let's create a folder, test folder, and this will be the drag and drop feature I'm testing here. Yeah, test scene, that works. Let's attach the script. Did I even save the script? Yeah, okay, good. Let's attach it in here. Let's make sure the control node does not stop the mouse, because that's bad. I think I can put on ignore mouse on the control node. I think that should be fine. But I don't think this is gonna work. I think I need a control node or something that inherits. Oh, oops. Let's make sure to play the scene. What is that? What is that over there? Why is there a key in here? Why is there a key in this scene here? In this scene. Okay, well that's super weird. Let's check the debugger here. Oh yeah, okay, cause wait, what? Okay, I see what's wrong. I don't want to show them. And that's usually not a problem because everything is on top of this. Okay, I need to find a better way of doing that. I'll do that a little later. But now I know why it's here, so let's try it again here. Yeah, I need a control. So let me find something that inherits control. I could possibly use the texture button. I'm pretty sure it inherits control, but I don't know. I'd like something lightweight. Let's see. Label panel. I guess I can use a panel. Yeah, I think I can use a panel and make it invisible. I think that would be better. Texture frame. Maybe I can make a texture frame. Let me try using a texture frame and see if that will be something. Okay, now this sprite is a texture frame. It apparently keeps this, that's good. Let's try once more. Let's move this in the middle somewhere. Let's change that. Let's try it again. Control, ignore mouse. Let's turn that off as well. Okay, well this is weird. Let's Let's take a look at this again. Get drag data. I assume this is enabled by default in somewhere. Let's take a look at the control node here. Wait. Did I stretch this? I don't think I did. Let's stretch the control node. Let's try it again. Yeah, no. Huh. Weird. Hold on, let me take a look at inventory database here. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. To prevent it, at least. Huh. Very odd. Okay, let's try a texture button then. A texture button. Let's load the normal texture to be the icon. Let's change this to... Actually, let's just change the control. Really? Ah, I see. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, I guess I'll try a color picker then. This is... Wait, what? Okay, let me remove this. We add a color picker. Let's add the script. Yeah, external control is fine. Where did it go? Okay, it's up there somewhere. Let's make it bigger. Icon, maybe that will work. Ah, cool. It's white, but let's see if it works. Okay, that works. Huh. Let me delete this again. Let me re-add... Was it texture frame? Yeah, texture frame. Because that might be something that messed up everything last attempt. Let's add the script once again. Load. Let's play. Huh. Why does only the color picker work? I mean, they're both extending control node. And that's where the functionality is, but it lacks documentation! There is no documentation here. Let's see here. I don't think there's anything here because I believe they're both intertwined. Yeah, you know. There's nothing here. So not everything can control it, even though it's a control node that runs it. So this is super weird. Do I need a collision box or something when I'm not using this? I don't know. Can I use a collision box? Because that would be nice. Let's take a look at the script again. Collision shape. Yeah, I don't think there is anything like that. It would be nice to be able to use this functionality. But is it only... Let's try a texture button then again. Because I didn't properly try it. Texture button. Let's load the default image. Let's move it down somewhere, we can see it. Let's try it again. Okay. So it seems to be exclusive to the color picker. Unless I'm being very stupid, doing something very wrong. Huh. I don't know, I'm just trying right now. Let's see. No. Okay then. What else inherits? control. Base, button array, color frame, container. Maybe I can use a container. I mean, I don't think so, because nothing seems to work except the color picker. This is just a container, and I can't see it. I'm gonna add a sprite inside there. Load the icon, so it should be about the same. Then again, texture. I don't know. Okay, now it should be filling. Try it again. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Well, screw this example, because it doesn't work. There's no documentation, which is bad. Hopefully we should be able to do that. Let's see. Missing documentation. Okay. Let's go back to our task at hand, and that's to move this. So all we need to move really is just a sprite, because this is just a visual thing we're gonna do. So let's see if I can reuse this. So this will be a sprite from now on. Let's see, do we have something to... I'll probably read a... Can I use... I should use an area 2D. Do the container have anything I can use? Aha! There we go. Perfect. I believe that should work. Why can't I see the container? Because it's 1 by 1? 32. Yeah, it doesn't have size. How about slot? Does that have any size? It does have mouse enter though, so that could work. At least on this. But slot 1 has something, so I can use the same script then. So let's try it out. Mouse enter. This is slot. Actually, I don't want to do it this way, because then I have to do this on all of the all of them. So I'm just gonna get on mouse enter in here. Mouse enter. Func. Was it underscore mouse? No. Do I have to actually set this in on myself? I might have to set it myself. Yeah, I do. Wait, what? Get drag data? Are you kidding me? Hold on. Print. Let's see if this works. I'll be happy. Pause. Okay. Drag plus string. Okay, let's see what happens now. Yeah, this is from all of these slots now, so let's take a look. Oh, it works! Why? Why does it work? Well, I'm not gonna complain. It works. So I'm gonna keep it. I don't have to do the mouse enter anymore. Saves me a lot of trouble. But that means I can open the other project and take a look and see how they did that fully, so I won't have to think. Let's see here. Let's go down. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Should be here somewhere. Right here. There it is. Let's move it to the right. Let's move this out of the way. Let's open the script and let's see. What do we have here? Drive data. We use another color picker. So this is where you create the preview. Okay. Set drag preview. Set drag preview. Is this functionality? It is! Ooh! Ooh! This is so cool! I'm liking Godot more and more now. But we need documentation! We're gonna... Oh, I can't wait for 3.0. I'm going to put on my war paint and start documenting everything. Drag. Drag. Let's see. Get data. Okay, so this is where I create. So, I guess I'll just move the sprite itself. I just remove it from the container and add it to my mouse. And if I don't successfully place it anywhere, we will undo the changes and re-add the item inside slot 1. So so that should work. I think. Yeah. So, move. Well, I guess we'll copy first. Copy sprite. Then we... Actually, we can just hide the sprite, can't we? What would be easier? I don't know. Hide, remove sprite from this slot. What else? Where does this go? Where does this go? Why is I mean, where does this go? You know? I don't know. Okay, anyway, let's get this right. Or the texture. Image icon equals... Hold on, do I have... Yeah, I do have this reference here. So I'm gonna duplicate that. Make it nice and easy. Then I'm going to... Excuse me. I'm going to simply set drag preview, apparently. Let's see how that works out. Yes, of course I will submit the documentation to GitHub. Oof. There's a reason I'm writing down all the notes. I have a separate Trello board, private Trello board for my irks. Is that the word? Things about Godot that bothers me that I would like to have fixed. Do I have to return something here? I don't know. Let's see what happens if I do this now. I probably need an icon first. That didn't work. Where does this go? Yeah, we're setting the color here. Inside. Why do we need set? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. So this is the data we return to the next node, or the thing. Return color. Okay, now I understand what it means. So I would like then to return this image. I think. Drop data. Data, set color. Return color. Okay, so this is what... Okay, haha, I get it now. I think. And return. Return image to the box. To the next box. Return image icon, right? Yeah, I'll do it that way. So now I'm duplicating an instance. This is an instance, I believe. Is it? Yes. No. I'm not sure. Let's see here. How do I do this? Target item. But is this instanced? When I duplicate, is it... Let's see here. Duplicate. Use instance? Okay, by default it's false. Oh, okay, I know what you mean. Yeah, no, we don't want to use the same instance, I assume. Oh, okay. If it's so, it's not a instance then. It's just a reference to the duplicate of that node. So I will have to instance that in another scene. If I understand this correctly, okay. Okay, but we're getting closer now. So we have an image icon. We then set the drag preview. But how does the drag preview work? Because there is no. I'm not overriding this in any way. It's just happens, I think. No. Does it have to be a control node? Is there limitations on it? I don't know, because there's no documentation. Oof, okay, so let's create the other function here. Hello, Gamer LTU. Thank you for joining. Let's see. Drop data. Okay, so this here returns into here on the next node, which will be here. Same script, so reuse it. So in here, I want to set the image. So we would then do set image, and in here we add the data, which in this case is the image icon. So let's see, set image, set texture, image. Yeah, that works. Because you're not gonna... I am currently working on an inventory system for the 2D top-down vehicle shooter game. Although the inventory system I'm making right now is generic. My plan is to be able to reuse this in any game, including the 2D top-down vehicle shooter. That is a mouthful to say. I gotta remove this though. Let's remove the script here. Remove. Save. Let's go to slot 1 again, and let's see if this works here. I'm gonna print something. I has received data. Let's hit play, and let's see what happens. Yeah, okay, we don't have any sprite yet, so let's do it like so. Okay, it doesn't hold on, debugger. I'm getting error every time I do this. P control is null? Set drag preview. Ah, okay, so it has to be a control node, which means I will actually have to oh, that's not good. That's no good. Can I add it in the container? What if I remove? Let me do some tweaks here. Let me remove this. Let me add it in container here, in the container, and we'll see what we'll get here. Let's go to the next song. Thank you. I don't like music with words. Let's see, inventory. What script is this? This is the slot script. Yes, load. So I want to see if this works on this container, because that will make my life easier. Oh no! Oh, okay, let's fix that. Let's try it again. Let's go here. Whoops. Ah, okay, now this is... Wait, what? Yeah, it's wrong now. Because now it's not in slot number, it's in slot number and then container. So for this to work, I will have to add something. So in here, plus / container. But if this works, I'll do this in all the slots. So let's see. Let's see if it works. Oh no! Null instance on a null instance. Because the slot image is wrong. I have to do it like so. Let's try it again. Okay. Ah, damn it! It doesn't work. I can't try to drag anything. Good morning, Murdakar. Murdakar. Well, I don't know how much you would learn, at least in this stream, but that's good. So slot 1 I can drag. Container I cannot drag. Oh, I know why. Because the container size is 0, 0, 0, 0. It's kind of hard to hit it. Okay, so how will I do that? Okay, now I know the lower right corner of this should be draggable, if in theory it's correct. Damn it, it's not. Okay, I have to think how to do this. Okay, so that doesn't work. I cannot use the container, but I can use the center container for some reason, but not the container. So why then is get drag data a part of the control node? Because you would think, and it would make sense, that any nodes that also inherits control nodes would... Oh, what's going on? Okay, that was weird. Well, okay. It got a bit brighter. That's fine. Why is it brighter in the middle screen? Okay, well. So let's clear that. Hold on, am I stopping something here? I am stopping this. So let's try now. Maybe it'll work. Let's see why this has to be so confusing. It won't create full grid, and I wasted 35 minutes trying to find the problem. It won't create a full grid. It's an L. So what you're telling me, you're creating this, it stops here, go da 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 da, and then suddenly you go all the way through, right? I don't know. I would have to see the code for that, because that's where it's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. Okay, let's try again. Lower right corner of first slot. Ah, dang it! Why? Why do you foil? Let's try bigger. Let's move it like so for now. Why? What's the difference between the container and the center container? Control. Let's see. There's the container. So it doesn't work on the container, but it works on the center container. Let's click that. So the center container in here is container. Ah, it makes no sense. But not the container. But the center container. But no container. I guess I can just turn the container into a center container, so I will use 2 center containers. But that's a bit No, that wouldn't work! Ah! Because it wouldn't work. Because wait. The reason I'm using the container to begin with is to get the sprite centered. Because if I set 0, 0 here, and now the size is 0, 0, it now is allowing the sprite to be centered to this, because I can't center the sprite inside a Okay, maybe I have an idea. Let's clear this again. Let's re-add it the way it was before. Load. Let's undo the things we did. Inventory. Database? Where was it? There. Let's remove this. Let's try it once again. Okay, so we're getting a forbidden thing. That's because we get an error when we try to do this. We get a parameter p control is null. Parameter p control. Why do you need a p control anyway? This sounds silly. I guess I can use a temporary thing. So I create a new scene. Let's use a center container. That should be enough, right? In here, add a sprite. Actually, we need a container here first. And in the container, we add the sprite. So now it should be centered when we add a. I'm gonna create dummy image here. Now it's centered. Container. Let's make the size 64 or 64. The container should be centered. In position 0, 0. Actually, no. Let's keep 32 by 32 because that's centered. The sprite's going to change the position to 0, 0 as well. Now any image in here will now be centered. So let's call this the sprite. Let's call the container, and let's call the center container drag icon or something. I don't know. I just need to create an instance of this and send that as the preview. Yeah, that should work. Should work. Let's see. Inventory bar. So in here I'm gonna create a new folder. This will be the drag drop. Well, should I? Yeah, I'll do that. Save. And let's see if we can get this to work. Yeah, Ningamer LTU, if you send me a snippet of your script, I can take a look at it. About the just go to pastebin.com. Yeah, and paste it in there and you'll create a link and you can share it. Pastebin.com. Pastebin.com. Okay, let's do this. Let's var. Actually gonna load it on top here, because we will need this on all of them. So already var item icon scene equals preload, I think, maybe, or just load. I don't know. What's the path to this? This. Actually, no. Let's not do it. Let's do it a better way. Actually, no. Let's not. Let's do it this way. Item database. Items. No. Inventory. Inventory bag. Inventory bar. Drag and drop. Oh no, it's broken again. And in here we have the, what was the name? Drag. Actually, I should probably name it drag drop. Ah, this matter. Drag icon tscn. I think this is redundant if I do this already, but I'm not sure, to be honest. Anyway, let's do this. Instance one of these. And then we have an image icon. Item icon. Then we set the drag preview. Then we print something to make sure it works, and then we return the image. Yeah, that's right, because we still want to return the sprite, because that's handled in this. So then we set image right here on that slot. Let's see. Haste bin. Oh, I guess you're hasty. Oh boy. Wait a yeah, okay, never mind. What's chunk size? Ignore chunk size. Okay, I ignore it. Wait, what? Hold on here. This doesn't look right. Yeah, this is C++, isn't it? Source code we're talking about? No? What is this? Because this isn't Godot script, I think. Yeah, this is not Godot script. Well, what language is this? C++. Okay, let's see here. For X, do that. Okay, you could iterate that many times. And for Y. And for F, then for X, you start from 0, you go all the way to chunks of 2. X+. So these will be two values. So it'll be a perfect square in theory, at least now here. Unless it would change in a thread somewhere, and it would just happen to end here and then change it. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know what BBO does though. I mean, this is right. I don't see. Are we changing this anywhere? Position of this. I don't know what this is though. But I mean, this by itself seems right. Oh, it's vertices. Okay, so the position for the first one, second one, third one, and fifth one. Okay. Let's see, chunk size. But this one is quad. Let me try something. Visual Studio. I'm just curious because it should work. I mean, if something is wrong, then it would be probably in here. So there might be there is some yeah, something in here that's wrong. Everything else looks fine. I don't know. Let's see here. Test something. Just simple test project. Fine. Why not? Sandbox. Make it a console. Remove that. Finish. All I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna print this and, well, not everything, but oh, Goy. I'm gonna print X and Y. I mean, actually, let's do it like so. X plus X. Oh, transitioning between. Yeah, there shouldn't be anything wrong with this. So let's say this is 10 or whatever. Actually, let's try 32. I mean, this is gonna be 16, but I should probably actually have. Yeah, I should have ended there. Get car. I just want to see the output. Let's see. 3, iterates to 15, and 4. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I don't know behavior of this. Why are you doing it? 0, 1. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. New follower. Thank you, Sa71 Sa, for following. I have no idea what's wrong. It seems right. Start 1, 2. You go down. Wait, what order do you draw them in? I mean, I've seen the image. It's partially right. I don't know. It's weird. I have no idea. Sorry. No idea. It's just weird. But my bet is there's something wrong with the chunk size thing. Or the math with it. Sorry I couldn't help. Let's see. Okay, so now this should work. Let's hit play. Or not. Let's return image icon. Yeah, what I'm gonna return is our icon. So I need to get icon. I need a get image here. So in here I'm gonna create a return slot image. So func get image return slot image at this node. What am I thinking? I don't need that. I can just use this like so. That should work. Yeah, it should work. And then you set it. But no, this isn't the image. This is the node. Okay, so I need to return slot image, get texture. Let's try it again. Let's see if it works. Let's get something or two things. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. It works. Hey. Okay, cool. So now I need to implement this. Let's see. This does not run. Drop data. This is the preview. Then return this. I think. Oh, wait. Let's copy this here. Make a check for this. Can return data. For now, I'm just gonna write through while I test this. Oh boy. Yay, it works! Hooray! Okay, so let's get the key first. It's gonna look something nicer. Haha, we got it! Okay, so we got the texture part to work at least. But we still need to get the data part of that to work, so we need to update the inventory. Or do we? We might not have to do that at all. Because even regardless of where you move it, you still have it in your inventory. So unless I were to drag this outside somewhere to drop it on the ground, I wouldn't have to do anything with inventory. All I'm doing is making sure you only have one of them right here. So we can't just duplicate the item forever. Hold on here. Let's get the key. Let's get this. Let's do it like so. Let's do this. Okay, wait. Let's get the one item instead. Let's get the key. Let's move this over here. Let's pick this. Okay, so I need to do this. Okay, let's see here. How to do this? How to handle this? Inventory slots. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm wrong. I will have to actually inform the inventory bar so it can keep track. Or should I just use the inventory? Items. Add item. Okay, this is the part when I pick up the item. You add it to the items list using the ID of the item. Wait. Oh no, that wouldn't work. If I were to... If I were to get an item with the same ID, that wouldn't work. Crap. Now I can pick up the key, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Because now we're overriding the other one. How will I do this? I gotta think. Crap. I guess I can just store the number of the number I have of them. But that means I wouldn't store the item itself. I would then store the value, the number of times I have that item. So instead of using get item, I would just store, or rather, plus equals 1 of that ID. And when I do need it, that would work. Because the item I'm sending down to the inventory bar is just the basically the image data. Well, the entire item with the image. Hold on, image, item. Wait, no, this is just a value. This is not a. So I want to send in the ID then. Unless I want to get the item and return that. I guess I can do that. But would that be better or worse? Nah, let's just send the ID. Let's see. Add item. As long as we haven't reached our inventory maximum inventory size, we add the item, we increment it with 1. Okay. So what if we remove it? How will we do that? So func remove item ID, and then we just do something similar. Actually, let's just do this. Remove one of the item. That'll be -1. As long as I handle this correctly, this will never become negative. So where I would do that will be in the inventory. That might not be the best way of doing this. Yeah, no, this is what I'm running when I want to remove it. I inform the inventory that I want to remove the item, and that is done in this way. Okay, let's see. Inventory bar, add item. So I have to fix this now. This is not accurate. Item ID. So first things first, let's get the item. There we go. Now that is taken care of. So from I and range 0 to... So now, place the item at the most convenient slot actually. Get item data. So then we place it in the first convenient spot. Yeah, that's right. Okay. As long as it's empty, of course. Wait. Yeah, unless we want stacking. Ooh, stacking. How will I do that? I guess I can add a label on top of it. So if we were to load it right now for testing here, we'll add a label. Let's add it in the container. So let's see, 3. Yeah, that's horrible. I think I will need a font for this. Font. Resources. Where are my fonts? There we go. I don't know if this is a good font or not, so I'm gonna copy this. Gonna open in here. Gonna drag it in here into a system. It's quite an assets folder for more generic stuff. So let's add a fonts folder. And let's see if that is better. I have no idea what font this is. It could be a horrible font for all I know. Or a good one, hopefully. Assets, fonts. Oh, my bad. I have to edit this. And load it in here. 32. Ah, that's not bad. It's good font. Let's make it sure it's centered. Center. Actually, right towards right. Let's make it to the right there. But center toward the right. So it'll be something like so. Actually, let's see if I can find an example here. Inventory bar. What game? World of Warcraft, for example, if that works. I just need to see example of how they display stacks of items. Aha, okay, lower right corner. Okay, that works then. Yeah. Maybe I should make it the bottom here to control it a little better. If I now have 333, okay, good. What if I have 9,000? That's 900. Let's try one more. Okay, that's not right. Line right. Yeah, why did it? Oh, okay, I see why. I need to increase the size of the this label. Label size. Width. 64. No, 60. Yeah, 64. No, 64. Damn it. Height is fine. I don't care about that. Make sure minimum size 64. There we go. Let's now change the value to 2. Let's see, how would that look? It's too close to the edge, if you ask me. I guess I could reduce the size a little bit. Let's add a minus 5. Minus 5. Let's make sure we add this here. And then here. Okay, that is a little better. That's better, okay. It's not that important though, really. I'm just nitpicking. I always do that. Make it color shadow. Let's make it let's outline. Let's add 5 or whatever value we can. It doesn't really do anything. Just a true or false, basically. To my understanding, yeah. Spacing. What's that do? Nothing. Okay, so turn it off. Okay, I think that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. That's actually very good. I like that. I like it. So when we only have 1, we won't be showing anything. It'll just be empty. So let's call this the count. I guess would be a good enough name. Ah, crap. Oh well. Let's delete this. Delete that. Let's just duplicate this. Boop. There we go. Done. Quick and easy. Okay, so now we have a spot to add our value, incremental value. So 2 or above, basically. In which case, I may want to add the data, the inventory bar, add item with the data instead of item ID, because I need to know how many. Or actually, no, I can just do it here. If we have more than 1 display stack. It's not the best way of doing this, but let's see. Oh crap! No, that wouldn't work. I would actually need to know the items we have, not the info about the item. I can add another one. Count. Yeah. If count is greater, no, not item. If count is greater than 1, we display the, or rather we enter a value in the count. Let's create a new function here. Set count. Value. Where is this script in? Okay, I guess I can just do that. Wait, what? I'm in an inventory bar script now. Ah, crap, okay. Wait, no! I'll have to do it in here, not here. Because I need this data here, so let's see. First we find where we want to place it. Ah, crap, what if it already exists? Oh, gotta do that. So first, iterate. Iterate. Check if we have a match. But I have to iterate all of them to know if I have a match or not. Crap. So I iterate 2 times. I know what to do. I know what to do here. Available slot. I just store it. So let's start by default available slot is set to 0. So what we're gonna do in order to iterate only once instead of twice is we're gonna iterate all of them, and then once we find a available slot, basically when this is true, we're gonna set this to be equal to this slot to be I, and then we continue to iterate. We don't do anything yet until the end of this. So outside here we just set it there. Actually, let's make a -1, because if it's -1, Oh no, gotta think. Yeah. Slot is not equal to -1, because then we have a available slot. Otherwise, we can add it immediately when we find a matching item. Yeah, that worked. So let's do this, and I will be available slot. Like so! Hehe! And then just add the item in there. We have to make sure to set this right there. If... Oh no, that wouldn't work. Crap. Okay, let's try it. I'll have to unset this. Basically. Actually, I can just turn. True. Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, this should be fine. No problem. Place item in the available slot. So now we iterate to all the items regardless to find out if we have an existing item at the sort of there. So add item. Let's see. Do we have a we have the same item in our inventory? So if this item if this slot is equal to item ID, basically the one that we're gonna place, that means in this slot we already have this item. So we are then going to use this set count to be +1. So 2 basically by default. Ah crap, I have to get value. So okay, let's first get what happens if I get crap. Let's just make this work first. No, what I'm doing, I'm not going to do that there. I'm going to do this in here. That's the issue with the eye here. So now I can get the path, the proper path. However, it won't be that one. Container slot plus container count. Okay, that will be the label. And here we're gonna set text, set label, set text. Testing for now. Actually, no. To value, new value. Hold on, I just need to remove the arrow from. Well, I think here. Crap, I need to get a node. Count label equals this. Okay, now I reference to this node. Count node. Label. Remove this. Sit there. So what I want first is I want to get the text. However, it's empty. That's the thing. What will it return when it's empty? Okay, if new value equals is empty? I don't know. If it's empty, then the value is by default will be 2. So new value will be then set to 2. Else, if it's not empty, that means we're gonna increment it, which means our new value is now gonna be plus equal 1. Now it should be right. I think so. Well, let's see. Iterate to all items. Do I have an available slot? Okay, I have one. Okay, save the available slot, but continue iterate. Okay. Do we have a matching? Do we have a match? Okay, if you do, return true, because then we have done it. We're done. However, if nothing, if this runs to the end, and this has run, and this did not run, we're gonna do this. That's wrong. A little slot. Then we'll do this like so. We add the item in this slot. Wait, the ID. Yeah, it's right. Because we don't keep count of items inside the inventory bar, we keep count of items in the inventory. Then we set the image. Actually, I have to do this. I have to do this in here as well, like so. No, actually, we don't, because it already exists. Okay. It's hard to get to wrap your mind around this. But it will also be true if this happens. If nothing, if there is there are no empty slots, and there are no existing items, which means, uh oh, this is not right. Yeah, no, this isn't right at all. This has to be outside. Yeah, it has to be outside, like so. Which means I will actually have to manually set web slot to -1, just so I can control it. Actually, no, I don't. It's gonna return true. Obviously. So if this never succeeds, we're gonna go here. So as long as this isn't -1, we do this. What? That's the same thing, right? Yeah. Else return false. If it ever reaches the end here, then it returns false, because we haven't been able to add it anywhere. Okay, I think this will work, but I'm not sure, to be honest. I have to make sure to add count, the initial count value. Am I even using this? I'm not. If that's the case, I don't need to do this. I just set it to be the count. Ah, okay, let's do that. Let's handle the counting for the inventory. Yeah. I don't even need new value, I can just do this like so. Yeah. Yeah, that should work. Although only if count is greater than 1, we're gonna do this. Else we're just gonna make sure it's empty. We probably don't need to set the label because I don't know. Count item ID. Okay, we get the item from the item ID. This is the item. This is where we're getting the image from and everything. And we store that item ID in the inventory slot. Yeah. We don't know the count itself. The count is sent from above. So that works. Yeah, this should work. Let's see what happens. Error, okay. I is not found. Where's I? Okay, that's wrong. Let's make sure it's right there. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, that's right. Okay, good. Yeah, now it should work. Oh no! What have I done? Oh boy. Okay, that's not right. I forgot to add count, didn't I? Yeah. Count. With this. Yeah. Let's try it again. It's still wrong! At least the drag and drop thing seems to work a little bit. Okay, valid index 1 on base dictionary. Plus equal 1. Okay, so didn't I initialize them all? I didn't, did I? I didn't. I had to do that here. 4 are in range 0 to that. I could have sworn I did that though. Oh well, I guess I'll do it now. By size. Yeah. Items. No, that's not right at all. Ah, no. Okay. I will actually have to manually check if it's empty or not. So, if it's null, then set it to be 1 initially. Yes. Else, we're gonna increment it, because then it is there. So we add a 1 to it. Let's try it again. Let's see, where are we now? Add item ID. Yeah, auction is a thing I tried to test. For example, if I have a 2 split choice to make, then whoever bids the highest gets to decide the outcome. However, I realized a bit afterwards it's better to use vote for that. Let's see here. Add item. Okay. Turn inventory add item ID. Okay. Valid index 1. But it's a oh! Oh, okay. No! Yes! I can't use a oh, damn it. Will this work? That's not good at all. Why didn't I get error before though? Okay, what happens if I do this? Will it work? Yeah, no. Okay, so let's just add then. Oh, this is so bad. Oh no, item. Will that work? Let's see if that works. It won't allow it. Okay, no, it won't. So, item. I gotta find a better way of doing this, because this is a horrible way of doing this. Horrible, because now I'll have to do this every time I'm gonna check for something. What? Obviously, because it's not an array, it's a dictionary. You're supposed to give this is the key. It's not an index, you dumb. I'm not mad. I'm slightly disappointed. Let's see. Whoop, okay. Okay, what if I just set it again? Let's just set it. Let's just see what happens if I set it to 1. What happens now? Because I don't know why this suddenly would trigger. Because I didn't really, as far as I know, do any change there. Now it works. Okay, well, okay. Because now it's an array, isn't it? Okay, that's not a good way. That's the horrible way of doing this. Let's try it like so. Okay, good. That works at least. I'm gonna print this beforehand. So print. I need to know what it is before I actually add something to it. Should be null. But it gives me an error. Error. Yeah. Is null or something? Null. Dictionary. I guess I can use size when I think about it. Yeah, let's do that. No, that wouldn't work. Ah, crap. How will I do this? Has. Yeah. Has. And that's, is that the item or an index? Get back to this. Has key. Okay, this is the key. Okay, good. That should work. If item has the ID, this is the key. Then we continue. Then we do this. No, wait. If it has it, then we increment. Okay, haha. Now I get it. If it has the thing, well, we increment it like so, using only the ID. Hopefully. Else, we're gonna set it to be something, which is 1. Let's try it again. Hooray! We have done it! It has been done! So let me just pick up 2 items to make sure it still works. Ooh, okay, so this part doesn't work now. Let's see. Into string. Okay, so I have to do this basically. No problem. No problem. Let's do it again. Okay, click and click. Haha! We have 2 of these now! Hooray! Huzzah! It works! Okay, we're getting there. I don't know why we're getting all the Godot icons though. That's a bit weird. Oh wait, I do know. Wait. It's here. We're adding something here. Somewhere. Here? But this only runs once, right? Yeah, it's not in the for loop, it's in right there. Oh wait, we're initializing here. Value. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. I don't know why, I don't know. Wait, what's 0? Yeah, 0 is empty. There's no idea with this value. This is the idea. So let's see. If the inventory slot we're looking at currently is set to... Oh, okay, I see it here. Yeah, no, currently it won't add it once. Okay, so let's make sure. If this is equal to -1, and there we go. Okay, so now it only set once, so we won't add it last. Okay, that's fine. Where does it add all the images though? That's the part that's confused. Wait, no? Yeah, why? Why does that happen? Oh wait, I do know why. Oh no. Oh no, I forgot. I added a temporary image, didn't I? I did! Ah, my bad. In which case, I'm gonna clear the first one. I'm going to remove the remaining ones. And then I'm gonna duplicate them over again. There we go! Now it should work. Let's see. Log 1. Log 2. Key! It works! Hooray! This will be pretty nice when you get this working. I need to do this anyway. I needed to make something like this anyway. Okay, key, log. Oh no, we only have 2 inventory slots, don't we? In which case, I need to find a different way of handling this, because obviously now, well... Oh yeah, no, this is fine. Yeah, I can have stacks of items. That doesn't count as inventory slot. Yeah, I can have max 2 items now. So let's fix that so we can have 10 again. Let's go to our inventory, select that, and enter 10. And hit play. And now it should work. Double, yeah. Just need to make sure to get the right icon here. So let's do that. Let's open the drag icon. Let's create a function in here. Yeah, let's add a function in here. Let's create a script for this. Drag icon. Yeah, it's fine. And here we're gonna have a set image. That's the only thing we're gonna do. We're not gonna do anything else with this. Texture. It should actually be func. Get node. Set texture. Done. Let's clear the Godot icon because I'd rather not have that. Clear. So now, inventory bar, in here somewhere. Where? Inventory bar. Let's open that. Ah, here we go. Slot. The preview, before we actually add it there, we are going to do this. Set image. And then we need texture, which we have right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Image icon. There we go. This may be a bit confusing, so let's just call it texture. Yeah, now we can reuse this and return it, because we need to return it as well, because this is what we are setting right here. Let's remove that, because I know it works, and we need to make a check, so we know when we can drop data. And make sure we can't do this at some point. So, yay! Okay, good. Key. Ah, cool. Okay, so now when I drag this, I have to remove it from the existing... So we may need to add more data than just the image. Yeah, we need to add more data. Gotta think though. I need to add the number and the... Must be a better way of doing this. Let me remove this. Let's find the Trello board. Let's see here. Drag and drop item with data. Drag and drop item with stack size. Yeah, I don't even need this anymore before, at least not yet. These are all intertwined. Because this is this. We'll remove that. Okay. I guess I can use a store different information here. Let's see. Let's create a class, maybe. Could I use an enum? Let's see. Let's go to the top again. Let's look at this from top down. Items. Okay. What do the items have? The items has the ID of it or the number of it. Okay. Remove this for now, for clarity. Now, inventory bag is gonna happen later, not for this. Let's see, add inventory bar. Yeah, now this is just the visuals right now. This is the items itself. This is what we're working with. I guess I can just set the reference instead, so I won't have to do this. I guess I can. I shouldn't return true. I should actually return this. Okay, that's why we don't set the reference, because I need to know if it succeeded or not. Actually, hold on. It's always going to succeed if it gets here. If this happens, then it succeeds. So this is fine. So I'm gonna send the reference. This last session, I actually learned something new here in Godot. The way it stores itself. So in it here, I'm gonna add the items. So whenever I change this from top down, from in here or here, it's gonna reflect in here. However, I will probably have to signal it anyway. Yeah, I need to signal this. Signal the inventory bar about it, so it knows when it has changed. Because I don't know if Godot has the functionality to listen in on variables. Listener? What's this? Yeah, no. I can create my own signals, I guess. Wait, no, of course, I can listen in. How did I do that again? Connect. But was it here or was it there? Let's see. I'll connect. Let's see here. So when this happened, when add items happen, we inform the inventory bar, and what we inform it about is item added. Yeah, that should do it. So right here, we're also gonna check remove item. Yeah, I think that should work. I haven't done this with signals often enough to, but this is definitely something I should use here. Set up signals with inventory bar to inform it about changes. Yeah, that should work. I mean, I could just create a loop and just check if items. No, that wouldn't work because I'm updating it. Yeah, this should work. Let's see here. Remove item, return true. Well, I mean, yeah. This is always going to be true though. Yeah, fine. I don't need anything there. What time is it? Okay, have maybe 15 minutes more. No, I don't have time. I was thinking I would like to do more work later tonight, but I have an appointment after the appointment, which is in about 1 hour. So even the hour after the hour, I need to do something else. So you know, let's see. To Thursday, tomorrow, I'm gonna work with Unreal. I think I have to check my schedule. I made a schedule now. So Tuesday and Thursday is exclusively Godot for live streams and whatnot, just general work. In the weekend, I may see if I can do some work creating a few videos with on YouTube, because I haven't been doing it as often as I would like to. So there's that. Remove that. I don't need that anymore. So now we have create a signal. I hope. I need to add these functions. So item added. Let's add it at the bottom here. So func item added. Now I don't know if I could actually add something in here. Print item added. Now let's create the other one, which was removed. Yeah. Let's see. Print item removed. Signal. Let's see what happens now. I need to up to this. Yeah, I forgot. I haven't done this yet. So we need to add items to the inventory bar script here. So right there and there. So right here, we're gonna add items. We're gonna get reference to our items, so we know what items we have. Items. Null. Okay, so now we are going to do this. Self. Because in other languages, using the equal sign means that you are copying something. So where the items address is. They will copy this over to another address, but having the same values. But in Godot, apparently using the equal sign means that you copy the reference. So this items here is referencing these items. So when I change this change, and the same if I change both, it goes both ways, which is kind of cool because I wasn't aware of it, and hopefully I'm not wrong. I mean, that's the way I understood it last time. So unless something is magically going to change, get reference. Let's see. Build. Okay, we just basically what we're doing here, we're cleaning it. We are making sure we have a dictionary full of zeros, so we can use that to check here if it's filled or not. So now we let's see. Add item. What's my goal with this? Hold on. My goal is to be able to reuse to easily move over items, keeping the information here. And this information is information about the items, which is the item ID and how many it is. So basically, it's the items we have. Okay, so add item. Where does this run? This doesn't run anymore because I removed it, didn't I? Yeah. Now we're going to use this. So this is not running. Hopefully, it's not gonna run, but you're gonna get signals. Hopefully, or not. I guess no signals. Let's see here. Invalid parameter. Can't I create my own signals? Yeah, I'm creating a signals on myself here. What I'm listening to is add item. Ah, crap. Let me Google this. Let me Godot this here. Godot engine custom signals. Let's see here. It's not working. Okay, what's the solution here? Yeah, let's see. Signal. Add item. Why do you wait? Oh well. Item removed. Item added. Just making sure here. The naming convention is a bit off, but you know. It's item added, right? Okay, so I was partially correct, but I forgot about the the signal and emitting signal, which is a little important to do that. Little bit important. So before I turn through here, I'm going to emit the signal. Emit signal, right? Yeah, that's right. And the signal is... Do I add it as a string? Yeah, it's a string. So basically this. It seems a bit weird having to do it that way. It makes me think that I'm supposed to add like this somewhere else. I don't know. Item removed. Let's see what happens now. Boop. Yay! Item added. Item added again, and a third time it works. But it seems a bit silly having to... I mean... I don't know. I don't know how it works in the back end for this yet. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now we're not gonna add any item. We're not gonna interact with this other than with signals, because this have our items. So whenever we add items, well, you know what? We're gonna check this inside the bar, the inventory bar. So we're gonna do something similar, except it's probably gonna be easier. Excuse me. I realized I forgot to change the name of my stream. I should probably do that. Can I do that while streaming? Let's see here. It should be number 5 and not number 4. Update. Yeah, I think that works. Hold on, give me one moment, please. Even though this is the end of the stream. But at least I won't have to do it later. And if you're watching this on YouTube, know that I am live streaming on Twitch. However, you can view this on YouTube. Let's see, edit. Update. Okay, I think it worked. So hopefully I won't have to rename this stream later on YouTube. On the live stream playlist, which is hidden. Rather, the videos are, not the playlists. Okay, let's see. Add item. Add item. Add item. Gonna copy this. Gonna modify this. So when we add item, we know our items list have changed. So we're gonna iterate. We're not gonna do any of this crap yet. I think. Oh no! That means we'll have to. Oh, it might be different. Let me think. Okay. I will have to check the difference. I will have to compare the slots, the actual placement of those items. Because in those slots, all information we have is the ID. But do I even need the ID on the slots as long as I keep track of the image? I mean, these are just visuals anyway. It doesn't affect anything. The only reason to keep track of this is to be able to keep a count of how many you have of wood or something else. Speaking of wood, I need to update the icon here. Let's do that. Let's not use the no icon. Let's actually get the proper inventory. Where is the item database? Items, wood log, resource. There, done. So when I pick it up, we can actually have an icon. Okay, let's see. This does not run anymore. I gotta remove this. Be gone. Although I don't think we'll have much time for much today. Let's see. So now our items, let's check. For I and rate 0. Excuse me. 2 axolotls. Let's see. How will I do this? I'll have to make a 4J in range, probably. from 0 to items size. Let me just think. Okay, we're checking the first slot right now. Okay, so the first in the first slot, in. Let's put this somewhere. Put this right there. Check if we have a match. So if the item 0's ID matches the item on the slot 0, so let me remove this for now until I can think properly here. Until I can get this in. Yeah, this is a slot. If it's equal to... Hold on. Oh no. For item in items. Yeah, that's what I need in here. Not a J, I need the item. So if inventory slots I is equal to the item gets ID, I believe. Okay, we have a match. Oh crap! How do I keep track of this? I will actually need 2 references. Or a duplicate, so I can compare differences. Which means this is unneededly difficult. So I'm gonna remove this again. I'm gonna undo that. So I'm not gonna do that either. I'm just gonna send the item. Yeah, and then I send the ah crap. Oh, let me think. I send the item in. So then I know that this is new, and then I iterate like before. Yeah, new item. Value. Should I add the value in here? New item. But what data can we have in the item? If I create a an enum or a struct or a class, custom class, just to keep the data, like don't we have an item class somewhere? What is the item anyway? Yeah, it's just a dictionary right now. It's nothing. So I can create an array inside the items with the data I need. So instead of just adding the value, I'm gonna add an array, or rather another dictionary inside there. That could work. Yeah, that could work. So I'm gonna create a function for that, so I won't have to redo this. That's not to begin with. Items. Item size equal max into the D. If you have a match, okay, that means we want to add 1 to it. But before that, we need to create a new dictionary. So we're gonna have ID is gonna be equal to ID. What else? The count, the count is equal to items ID. Wait. No. It's no. Yes. No. Yeah. It's 1 because. But I need to also need a way to add manually like a stack later on. So I will have to rewrite this definitely. No doubt about it. But for now, I'm just gonna do it like so until I can make it work. So we have ID, we have account. What else do we have? What data do we have that we need? Okay, so we have the value, we have the ID. But the ID is kinda redundant, isn't it? No, it's not, because we're just gonna send this in. So we're not sending this in, we're sending this part in. Yeah, that's why we need to do this. Okay, for now I think this is enough. I think this is enough for now. So what I want to do here, on this ID, I want to set the count to be plus equal 1. I believe that should work. could be wrong. Which means here, we're not gonna do it like that. We're gonna do it like so. Minus equal 1. Okay, let's see here. Add item, we get the ID. Set it, emit signal, and then I also want to add the item. Can I do it in a signal? Can I add data in there? Oops. Yes, I can. Good. In which case, I'm gonna add this part, because this is the dictionary, or rather this dictionary that I'm sending in. Item removed. Well, we have to do the same, because we need to know what item removed, or change a value of. So all do we have the same item inventory? Okay, so inventory slot. Let's say I have a key now. Okay, on slot 0, and the new item I went. Anything else, unless we have to set image. Yeah, we don't have to do that because it already exists. Store a level slot in case we don't have the item in our bar already. So if actually this part let's put that up there. Actually should be one more. There we go. So if our level slot haven't already been set, we're not gonna do that. Okay, actually I'm gonna put that down again because that does something else. So if it's is not set, then we set it to be equal to the I. Or actually I'll just store the full string for this, like so. Because then I just insert this, I think. Yeah, then I just insert it in here, like so. Well, not like so, like so. In which case, I can set it to 0. And I won't have to do this, I can just do it like so. So if this is false, then we set it. Because any value other than 0 is true. Okay, let's continue. Now we iterate to see if we found it. Okay, what if we didn't find it? So we didn't find an existing one, but we found an existing slot. Well, we're gonna jump out of the for loop. Let's do that, just like so. No existing item found. Add it to the available slot. So making sure it's not empty. Well, making sure it's true. Add it to the inventory. But we're not gonna add the... or are we? Yeah, we store the ID directly. Yeah, but it's not get ID, it's actually ID now. Because we're not storing a node. This is just data. So in here... Oh crap. I need data, I need texture. Okay, let's add a texture here. In here. Texture equals... do I actually need to get the item? I think I do. ID, count, texture. I need to get the texture. Am I doing this already complicated? Why don't I just add the item? Like the instance. Or not the instance, but the node. Why don't I? Why? Why? What's the reason? What's the reason? Okay, why don't I add this? Like this node, this. Because then I can get the name, the image, set image, get ID, get name, get icon. Actually, I should probably get texture. No, icon is different. Where is it? Why not? Because I don't have the number. Yeah, that's the reason. I didn't have the count. That's no problem. I can just... Oh. Let's not do this. I'm gonna keep the count, but I'm not gonna keep the ID. I'm gonna keep the value, item, object, node, yeah, node, equals, and then we get the item, database, get, item, ID. So now we're gonna store these two instead. So we store the node itself and we store the value, so we know how much we have of it. Because I don't want to store the value inside the items themselves. Why, though? Why not? I don't know. Why not? Because this is data about the item itself. This is exclusively about the item, not the circumstances of the item. I don't know, I may do something later about that. But for now, I'm gonna try this method here. Yeah, okay, let's see. Then we add the item in there, yeah. Let's go to the bar, now we have the node. We don't have ID, we have to use node.getID. Node.getID. Although I don't need to store. Okay, no, I'm actually gonna store the item in there, in the inventory slot. No. Yeah? No? No, I don't need to. Now I'm gonna set the image, which is item, node, get icon. Okay. Okay. I think that is it. No, no, no. Oh yeah, remove that. Okay, I gotta go in 5 minutes. I have to go. I must count. Item count. What do you mean? What do you mean you didn't find count? 28. Why is it 28 though? 28. Why are you showing me this? Huh. Oh, I see why. The count is next. Okay, now I see it. There we go. Let's see. Okay, items. I removed that as well. Let's try it again. Whew. Hooray! That took way more longer than it should. Oh no. What I've done now. Let's see. It's adding in the first lot now. Oh, okay, I need to add this, like, I'll do this in here. There. Let's try it again. 1, 2. We add an item. Available slot is to 0 by default until we start iterating. Then we check. We have check each node. Is it equal to the same? Is it the same ID basically? Oh, I forgot. Else, if the ID count is not above 1, we're just gonna. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I see what's wrong here. Or I see something that's wrong here. I need to do this. Yeah. Although this no, I don't have to do that, because it already exists. That's the thing about this. Yeah, of course this is gonna be above 1. Because if it already exists, by default it's more than 1 when you add it again. So I don't need this either. So just get a count and add it there. Okay. Okay, if available slot is false, then set the new slot. Let's see what happens now. Key. Log. Now the reason it says 2 there after, because I'm not removing this anywhere yet, so I have to do this here and update it. 1 minute and I have to close the stream. 1 minute. Embrace yourselves. Right down here. Fix. Okay, that's very non-helpful. Okay, I don't need to write anything. I think, because that's what I'm working on right now. Okay, if we have set this value, then we add it here. On the first, yeah, yeah. Wait, what's wrong? Oh, this is right, because we have to iterate to all the slot to make sure. But hold on. Return. Now. Ah! Damn it. Okay. That was an issue. But what? Oh, that's why. No, it is right. Right? Let's print this. Print. Item ID. Oh my god. It's in the for loop. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. 1 1 2 2 2. Okay, so this runs. This runs once, and then this happens because it's not false. So isn't 0 false in this world? So if available slot. Okay, let's just try this then. Not equals 0. Oh my god. It's false, then it's 0. If it's 0, then add it. Yeah, that's correct! However... Think. Pick up an item. Item has an idea too. Yeah. Then you check this and it's false. Then you check this and it's false. So you do this, you set up available slot. Okay, that's correct. That's good. That's what we want. So now we have stored the first slot, which is 0, as the available slot. So if we can't find any other, if this is always false, then we have this information. So we're gonna add it in the first slot. So then we get the ID and you store that in that slot, named slot underscore number. Yeah? Yeah. Yes. So then, if I go here, we find out that the ID is 1. We set first available slot immediately, because... Oh no! Okay, I see what's wrong here. I see what's wrong here! I'm a dumb... If this... Okay, so it has to make sure it's equal to... If it's false and this is equal to 0. There we go! I think we got it. So I can continue this later. I have to end this soon now. I'm already overdue. Yeah, we got it! Okay, good. I'm gonna continue the stream later. I'm gonna have to end it abruptly because I have something to attend to. So I'm gonna do that. Thank you for watching. Recording of this stream will be available on YouTube shortly after I end this. Probably an hour or half an hour. It depends how long the stream is. So take care, everyone. And thank you for joining. Bye bye.